Installation from a smartphone or tablet. The thermostat is connected to your heating system. We will now connect the Netatmo Thermostat to your home's Wi-Fi network from a smartphone. Visit the store from your smartphone and download the Netatmo Thermostat app. Create an account. Activate Bluetooth on the smartphone. Verify that the relay is connected to a plug socket or the boiler. Press the button on the bottom of the relay until the light starts blinking blue and select the Netatmo app. We will now connect the Netatmo relay to your home's Wi-Fi box. If you have an Android smartphone, enter your Wi-Fi network security key. It's ready. Your relay is connected to the Wi-Fi. You can now operate your Netatmo thermostat remotely. Answer 5 questions about your lifestyle to create your personalised schedule. To control your heating from your computer, go to my.netatmo.com.